Losing weight isn't just about diet and exercise, those are only about 25% of the equation. Another 25% comes from good sleep, but the remaining 50%? That's consistency. Doing what you said you would, every day. And luckily, there's a way to make sticking to your weight loss goals almost foolproof. Step 1. Find your why before you start. Ask yourself, why do I want to lose weight? Maybe it's to feel better, gain confidence, or improve your health. Finding your why creates a spark, but sparks fade. So next, set a specific, measurable goal. Something like, I'll lose 10 pounds by March 1st Street. Add checkpoints along the way to stay motivated. Step 2. Build a plan you can actually follow. Create a simple plan. Instead of your usual breakfast, swap sugary cereal for a high-protein option like eggs and berries. Plan your meals in advance, prep your snacks, and keep the junk food out of sight, or better yet, out of the house entirely. Your environment should make sticking to your plan the easiest option. If it's easier to grab a donut than your prepped fruit and protein, guess what you'll choose when you're tired? Step 3. Anticipate the hard days. There will be moments of temptation. You'll think, one cheat meal won't hurt, or, I'll start fresh tomorrow. Those thoughts are normal, but prepare for them. Build your willpower by practicing saying no to little temptations. And remember, willpower isn't infinite, so set yourself up to avoid temptation in the first place. Step 4. Turn actions into habits. The ultimate cheat code? Consistency. When eating healthy and moving your body becomes second nature, it's no longer a struggle. It's just what you do. At that point, the process feels effortless. Understanding fat loss basics. Track progress the right way. Use weekly weigh-ins and progress photos to measure changes over time. Remember, weight fluctuates daily due to water retention, so focus on week-to-week trends. Calorie deficit is key. Weight loss boils down to eating fewer calories than you burn. Use an online calorie calculator to find your maintenance level, and reduce it by 200 to 500 calories per day. If you hit a plateau, adjust by lowering calories slightly or increasing activity. Quality over quantity. Focus on whole, minimally processed foods. For example, 200 calories of strawberries fills your stomach more than 200 calories of cookies. Prioritize lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, and veggies. Avoid pitfalls like liquid calories. Sugary drinks can add hundreds of calories without making you feel full. Water, black coffee, or tea are better choices. Pro tips for sustainable weight loss: hydrate constantly. Sometimes thirst feels like hunger. Drink water throughout the day. Don't snack mindlessly. Eat during planned meals or snack only on fruits and veggies. Use smaller plates. This helps control portions and tricks your brain into feeling satisfied. Focus on protein. High-protein meals keep you full longer and help preserve muscle. Exercise. The bonus tool. While diet is the main driver of weight loss, exercise helps. 1. Lift weights. Builds muscle and boosts metabolism. 2. Walk more. Aim for 10,000 steps a day. It's an underrated calorie burner. 3. Add cardio. From HIIT to steady state, cardio can accelerate fat loss. 4. Stay active all day. Non-exercise activities like cleaning, walking, or even fidgeting burn calories. Don't underestimate sleep. Good sleep regulates the hormones that control hunger and fat storage. If you're not prioritizing sleep, you're sabotaging your progress. Remember, weight loss isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to be consistent. If you slip up, don't throw in the towel. Adjust, refocus, and keep going. Subscribe for more tips, and let's crush those goals together.